Hey guys, Honor planning to launch new smartphone Honor Magic 6 series in China 10 or 11 January. Honor launched three smartphones: Honor Magic 6, Honor Magic 6 Pro, Honor Magic 6 Pro 4-star design. Honor Magic 6 Pro come with very high quality 6.78-inch 2K resolution 120Hz OLED curved screen. Honor Magic 6 Pro also come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. The phone also come with C1RF enhancement chip. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Magic OS 8. One of the most highlighted feature Honor Magic 6 Pro is satellite communication technology. Yes, this phone also offering you a satellite communication technology. In the camera department, the smartphone come with triple camera setup in the back. The phone featuring 1-inch type main camera sensor with 1.4 aperture who is OB50S, 50 megapixel ultra wide who is OB50M. The phone also comes with Samsung HD3 telephoto camera with 100x digital zoom, and the phone is also come with dual camera setup. In the battery department, the smartphone comes with 5600 mAh battery with 100-watt wire charging and 50-watt wireless charging supported. The phone also comes with IP68 rating, stereo speaker, under-display fingerprint scanner, 3D face recognition, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. So I am very much concerned about Honor Magic 6 Pro, and let me know in the comment section your thought and today video about that. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.